What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the most anticipated luxury electric vehicles launching in 2026. This isn't just another year of updates. 2026 marks a turning point for high-end EVs. Legacy brands and new players are reimagining luxury from the ground up, fusing mind-bending performance, next-level tech, and sustainable materials. These cars are more than status symbols. They're redefining what luxury means, focusing on user experience, innovative software, and eco-friendly opulence. In this video, we'll break down the performance, interiors, sustainable materials, and battery breakthroughs that make 2026 the year luxury goes all in on electric. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with performance. In 2026, the world of luxury electric vehicles is all about pushing boundaries, where speed, technology, and refinement come together in ways we've never seen before. The era of the V12 is over. 2026's electric flagships are setting new standards. These aren't just replacements for yesterday's icons, they're rewriting the rules of what's possible on the road. Porsche's 2026 Taycan Turbo S is rumored to push 0 to 60 times even deeper into supercar territory, thanks to refinements in its 800-volt architecture. This means not only more power, but also greater efficiency and faster charging than ever before. This tech isn't just about fast charging, it enables relentless, repeatable launches and sustained high performance without overheating. The result? A car that's as comfortable on the track as it is on the Autobahn, delivering thrills lap after lap. Porsche is doubling down on precision and track-ready dynamics, making the Turbo S the benchmark for electric sedans. Every detail, from the suspension to the software, is tuned for drivers who demand the ultimate in control and excitement. Cadillac's Optiq V brings American muscle to the EV world, leveraging GM's Ultium platform for a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. It's a bold move that signals Cadillac's intent to lead, not follow, in the electric era. Expect aggressive power delivery and dynamic handling. This luxury crossover is likely to hit 60 in under 3.5 seconds. The Optiq V is engineered for those who crave both comfort and adrenaline, blending brute force with sophistication. It's Cadillac's bold statement. American performance is electric, and it's unapologetically luxurious. Inside, you'll find cutting-edge tech and materials that rival the best in the world, all while delivering a uniquely American sense of style. Jaguar returns with a fully redesigned, all-electric XJ, built on the new Jaguar electrified architecture. This marks a new chapter for the brand, blending British heritage with futuristic innovation. With a battery pack over 100 kWh, the XJ EV promises effortless cruising and a refined surge of torque, graceful, silent, and powerful. Expect a driving experience that's as serene as it is exhilarating, with instant response at any speed. Each brand is using electric tech to amplify its identity. Porsche is surgical, Cadillac is expressive, Jaguar is elegant. These cars aren't just fast, they're deeply connected to the spirit of their makers. The common thread? Instant torque and massive battery packs. 100 to 120 kWh is the new norm. These batteries are the heart of the modern performance car, delivering both range and raw power. These batteries deliver both long range and the power needed for jaw-dropping acceleration. You can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, then unleash all that energy in an instant. The debate is over. Electric vehicles aren't just matching gas-powered performance, they're surpassing it. The future of speed is electric, and it's here now. With precise torque control, instant response, and silent speed, the driving experience feels futuristic and truly luxurious. Performance, redefined for a new era, where innovation, power, and elegance meet on the open road. Step inside these 2026 models, and you'll see the real revolution. Luxury cabins transformed into digital sanctuaries. Every detail is designed to immerse you in a world where technology and comfort blend seamlessly, creating an environment that feels both futuristic and inviting. Rolls-Royce's all-electric Spectre blends traditional opulence with a digital architecture of luxury. The brand's signature craftsmanship is now enhanced by cutting-edge tech, setting a new standard for what a luxury interior can be. Think lamb's wool carpets, exquisite materials, and now, animated constellations on the Starlight headliner. The cabin becomes a personal retreat, where tactile luxury meets visual wonder, and every surface invites you to linger just a little longer. The tech is subtle, infotainment is bespoke and discreet, while advanced computing powers a suspension system that reads the road and delivers unmatched comfort. It's a symphony of hidden innovation, working quietly in the background to elevate every journey. Mercedes 2026 EQS SUV goes bold with the hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass panel spanning the dashboard. This digital canvas brings every function to your fingertips, wrapping the driver and passengers in a seamless, interactive experience. The MBUX software is smarter than ever, using AI to anticipate your needs, suggesting calls, preheating the steering wheel and creating a seamless zero-layer interface. It learns your habits, adapts to your preferences, and makes every interaction feel intuitive and effortless. Passengers get their own screens and safety features, like driver attention, monitoring. Keep things secure. Entertainment, comfort, and peace of mind are all at your fingertips, no matter where you sit. NIO's ET7 sedan takes a minimalist approach, dominated by a central tablet and a friendly AI companion, Nomi. The uncluttered design creates a sense of calm, while the technology remains always accessible and ready to assist. Nomi responds to natural language, controlling everything from navigation to massage seats, and is set to integrate even deeper with your digital life. It's more than a voice assistant. It's a co-pilot that understands your routines and preferences, making every drive uniquely yours. The car becomes part of your connected ecosystem, preconditioning the cabin, syncing with your calendar, even accepting package deliveries. Your vehicle is now an extension of your digital world, anticipating your needs before you even step inside. Advanced Level 3 autonomy is rolling out, letting the car take over on highways so you can relax, work, or watch a video in traffic. This leap in automation transforms the driving experience, giving you back precious time and peace of mind. The new luxury is intelligent, personal, and seamlessly connected. It's about more than just features. It's about creating an environment that feels tailored to you every moment you're inside. From Rolls-Royce's whimsical animations to Mercedes' predictive AI and NIO's conversational assistant, technology is now the soul of the luxury car. These innovations don't just add convenience, they redefine what it means to feel special behind the wheel. It's not just about comfort, it's about crafting an emotional, personalized experience. Every interaction, every detail is designed to make you feel understood and at home. This is the future of luxury interiors, where technology, design, and emotion come together to create spaces that are as intelligent as they are beautiful. Beyond performance and tech, 2026 luxury EVs are rewriting the rules of sustainability. Luxury is no longer about excess, it's about innovation and responsibility. Automakers are turning ocean plastics into high-quality fabrics and trim, transforming waste into premium materials. Recycled PET bottles and reclaimed plastics become soft-touch textiles and durable components, indistinguishable from traditional luxury materials. The story: your car's interior is helping clean up the planet. The move away from animal leather is accelerating, with vegan alternatives like mycelium-based bio-leather leading the charge. Grown from mushrooms, this material is soft, durable, and uses a fraction of the resources of traditional leather. Mercedes and others are experimenting with it for seats, dashboards, and more. Floor mats made from Econil, regenerated nylon from fishing nets, are becoming standard, and open-pore woods are sourced from responsibly managed forests. Even compressed paper and recycled textiles are finding their way into trim pieces, sparking new design creativity. These materials aren't a downgrade, they're a new badge of honor, signaling forward-thinking luxury. Sustainability extends to the entire production process. Factories powered by renewables, zero-waste manufacturing, and batteries designed for recycling. Buying a 2026 luxury EV means joining a holistic ecosystem of sustainability. It's a new kind of status symbol, opulence with a conscience. The future of luxury is green,